All connections in this vehicle will be made at the Smart Key module. It can be accessed from under the driver's side dashboard. It is not necessary to remove any panels for this installation.
This is the Smart Key module.
You may want to remove the white 4-pin connector for easier access. Connect the 24-pin connector on the T-harness in line to the top 24-pin connector on the module. Connect the 10-pin connector on the T-harness in line to the middle 10-pin connector on the module. Connect the 32-pin connector on the T-harness in line to the bottom 32-pin connector on the module. Replace all other connectors you may have removed during the installation. Use the provided zip ties to secure the module. Installation is now complete. Please refer to the guide for programming instructions.